Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. This Friday, October 28, 2011, 9:46 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Researchers complete mollusk evolutionary tree. Science Daily, October 26, 2011. Mollusks have been around for so long, at least 500 million years, are so prevalent on land and in water, from backyard gardens to deep oceans, and are so valuable to people, clam chowder, oysters, on the half shell, that one might assume scientists had learned everything about them. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. This Friday, October 28, 2011, 9:47 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Building better HIV antibodies. Biologists create neutralizing antibody that shows increased potency. Science Daily, October 27, 2011. Using highly potent antibodies isolated from HIV-positive people, researchers have recently begun to identify ways to broadly neutralize the many possible subtypes of HIV. Now, a team led by biologist California Institute of Technology, Caltech, has built upon one of these naturally occurring antibodies to create a stronger version they believe is a better candidate for clinical applications. And good evening, it's Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. This is Thursday, October 27, 2011, 10:07 p.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Human brains are made up of the same stuff despite DNA differences. Science Daily, October 26, 2011. Despite vast differences in genetic code across individuals and ethnicities, the human brain shows a consistent molecular architecture. Researchers supported by National Institutes of Health, the finding is from a pair of studies that have created databases revealing when and where genes turn on and off in multiple brain regions throughout development. And good evening, it's Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. This Thursday, October 27, 2011, 10:08 p.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Our study shows how 650,000 common genetic variations that make each of us a unique person may influence the ebb and flow of 24,000 genes in the most distinctly human part of the brain as we grow and age. Good evening, it's Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. This Thursday, October 27, 2011, 10:09 p.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Astronomers discover complex organic matter exists throughout the universe. Science Daily, October 26, 2011. Astronomers report in the Journal of Nature that organic compounds of unexpected complexity exist throughout the universe. The results suggest that the complex organic compounds are not the sole domain of life but can be made naturally by stars. And good evening, it's Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. This Thursday, October 27, 2011, 10:10 p.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Natural intestinal flora involved in the emergence of multiple sclerosis study finds. Science Daily, October 27, 2011. Multiple sclerosis is caused by a combination of genetic and environmental factors. For a long time, pathogens were believed to be such an external influence, according to the scientists from Max Planck Institute of Neurobiology. However, it is apparently not harmful bacteria that trigger multiple sclerosis, but beneficial ones, specifically the natural intestinal flora, which every human being needs for digestion. The researchers discovered that genetically modified mice develop an inflammation in the brain similar to the human disease if they have normal bacterial intestinal flora. The microorganisms begin by activating the immune system's T cells, and in a further step, the B immune cells. And good morning, it's Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. This Saturday, October 29, 2011, 6:02 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Do bacteria age? Biologists discover the answer follows simple economics. Science Daily, October 27, 2011. When a bacterial cell divides into two daughter cells, and those two cells divide into 4 more daughters, then 8, then 16, and so on, the result biologists have long assumed is an eternally youthful population of bacteria. Bacteria, in other words, don't age, at least not in the same way all other organisms do. And good evening, it's Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. This Thursday, October 27, 2011, 10:12 p.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. 3 new planets and a mystery object discovered outside our solar system. Science Daily, October 27, 2011. 3 planets, each orbiting its own giant dying star, have been discovered by an international research team by Penn State University astronomer. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. This Friday, October 28, 2011, 9:49 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Insects are scared to death of fish. Science Daily, October 27, 2011. The mere presence of a predator causes enough stress to kill a dragonfly, even when the predator cannot actually get at its prey to eat it, says biologist at the University of Toronto. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. This Friday, October 28, 2011, 9:50 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. How prey respond to fear of being eaten is an important topic in ecology, and we've learned a great deal about how these responses affect predator and prey interactions. And good morning, it's Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. This Saturday, October 29, 2011, 6:04 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Astronomers pinned down galaxy collision rate with Hubble data. Science Daily, October 27, 2011. A new analysis of Hubble surveys combined with simulations of galaxy interactions reveal that the merger rate of galaxies over the last 8 billion to 9 billion years falls between the previous estimates and... Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Saturday, October 29, 2011, 6:05 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. The galaxy merger rate is one of the fundamental measures of galaxy evolution, yielding clues to how galaxies bulked up over time through encounters with other galaxies. And yet, a huge discrepancy exists over how often galaxies coalesced in the past. Measurements of galaxies in Deep Field Survey made NASA Hubble Space Telescope generated a broad range of results. Anywhere from 5% to 25% of the galaxies were merging. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Saturday, October 29, 2011, 6:08 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Scientists measure dream content for the first time. Dreams activate the brain in a similar way to real actions. Science Daily, October 28, 2011. The ability to dream is a fascinating aspect of the human mind. However, how the images and emotions that we experience so intensively when we dream form in our heads remains a mystery. Up to now, it has not been possible to measure dream content. And